So today I'm unboxing the DJI Mic Mini. It's gonna be my main mic for my upcoming travels around Southeast Asia. It's so small. Let's test it out.
Here we go with the unboxing. We've got a little pamphlet and the stickers, the warranty information, and then here's the little case itself. Just a nice little complete package. Inside we've got our little wind hoods, and then we've got our audio cable and USB charging cable, and then the little microphone case itself. The case not only provides protection but charges the microphones and the transmitter as well. The battery on the mics is real good. You'll get 10.5 hours, 11 hours out of the mics, and then 10-ish hours out of the receiver. The case then provides another 3.5 full charges, so that's roughly about 48 hours of recording time, which is more than enough for any scenario, really.
So we have the little mic unit itself, the little charging case, and the mics inside. They are tiny. That's a great size. Look at that. And the transmitter unit as well. So this is what goes on the camera. It receives the little audio signal from these little mics. Click, and it's on. I'm probably, I don't know, 4-5 meters from the camera, and I think you should still be getting pretty crispy sound coming from the mic, but that's not like the greatest test. I can push this probably a bit further. Let's see what this sounds like while I do some chores as well. Bit of tidy the kitchen up, you know. Now let's see if it tracks me. I'm gonna go across the road over there and see if it still tracks me. It's also a good test for my my camera to see if the autofocus, the tracking is as it's promised. But yeah, I'm probably a good 10, 20, 30 meters away now, and if it's promised, the audio should still be as crispy as ever. Is that recording? I don't know. Hopefully I'm in frame, and I figure I'd just do a bit of a road test to see how this mic deals with, you know, I'm playing music at the moment. Hold on, let me put this. I mean, I don't really drive without music, so it'd be unrealistic if I were to drive in silence. But anyway, let's see how this deals with, you know, the noise of the road, the noise of the music. We're a 10-minute drive up ahead. Wait, on one. All right, so first corner did not go so well. I had to think of a different way to get my car content. I have to, I'll figure something out. Testing, check. Perfect. So yeah, not having a script, as I often do, has left my video a little bit stagnant. I didn't have much else to say in that little car ride. And then I also didn't film the rest of the journey. So anyway, I've been using these little mics as we've been traveling around Southeast Asia, and the whole process has just been seamless, just been perfect. While editing all this footage, I've realized how clean and clear the mics are. For such a tiny size, you get such good audio coming through, even if they're not like directly in your face, they're still clean and clear. We've used them basically every day as we've been traveling around, and it's just been such an easy process. this little receiver, depending on what attachment you have, you can plug it into just about anything. Phone goes right in there, and then you're getting clean, crispy, clear audio from your phone. Been using those for our daily fit checks. You can just swap out this little attachment. Now that's USB-C, and I can plug straight into my laptop, and then I can do my audio, my voiceovers. I can also connect these directly to this little Pocket 3, and no need for this. This can go away now. And then just like that, I've got clean audio with no hands, no plugs, no nothing. Easy peasy. For the price, I could definitely recommend these. I paid about £140 for these. You get nice little case, charges them, keeps them safe. They all come with the little wind hoods. You've got these magnets if you want to stick them onto something metal, or you can use them you stick them onto your clothes, how I've got. They're small enough you can stick them just about anywhere, and you don't really have to worry about them being in the way or looking too obnoxious. Obviously the white and grey doesn't really blend with much, but the black is fine. Yeah, I hope you found this a little bit helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.